At the time I'm making this video, there is no B&M Wingcoaster taller than Falcon. This ride at Sunac Land Wuxi beats Gatekeeper's record and it has massive rockwood around almost all the tracks. It's a spectacular coaster, but it did not fully meet my expectations. I'll tell you why in this review. Falcon's first drop looks stunning, but despite its massive size, I felt it doesn't hang you long enough or pulls you long enough in the back seats to be a really exciting element. The back-to-back sequence of inversions in the first half has good amount of G's and also fun and sustained laterals. Honestly, I'm close to graying out during some of these elements. However, afterwards, Falcon starts to lose steam. I was disappointed by the twisted hill and the camel block in the middle section. There is little to no airtime and barely any whip. The overbank over the lake could have been very impressive, but I noticed a prominent rattle during that section. It's surprising, particularly for brand new B&M. However, the low to the ground turn under the rocks that follows is pretty forceful. It delivers sideways forces as well. Easily one of my favorite parts of the ride. Then you enter the mid-course brake run. There is a slight plop of airtime when you dive out of that straight line. I'm shocked to say I thought that was the best airtime of the ride. This leads to an elongated inline twist, something very common on B&M wings. The scenery interaction works very well here. I enjoy the sustained hang time, although it's not my favorite type of sensation. The scenery exceeded my expectations in any case. I was worried the rock textures would look cheap on close inspection, but they turned out to be convincing actually. The coaster's location next to the lake is photogenic, and it really enhances the experience as a whole. Still, I think the overall execution of the ride could have been improved. That's why I only give Falcon a 7 out of 10 score. Falcon does not fulfill its huge potential compared to other wing coasters like Phoenix. Soft airtime and vibrations during some of the elements really affect the experience. That's a shame because the ride also provides exciting and intense moments. Falcon is one of the most photogenic rides in China, but it's not among my favorites.